Hello, I'm Chloe. I'm a content creator and digital business manager, and today I want to go through with you top 3 reasons why becoming a virtual assistant is the best side hustle for you. Top 3 reasons to become a virtual assistant. No matter what you do for a living, you should always have a side hustle. We live in uncertain times now, so earning multiple streams of income can be our safety net in case you come into an emergency situation. During the pandemic, people have been uncertain about their jobs. Even people have maintained their jobs. Some may have to leave to take care of their kids when schools were closed and we were on lockdown. We should always have a plan in place for when unexpected things happen in our life. That may mean we need to leave our jobs. Plus, having multiple streams of income means we have a peace of mind. We have some security and can live a comfortable life and know if we were to lose one stream of income, we will have another to back us up. Reason number 1, the flexibility of being a virtual assistant. Imagine being able to stay at home and have the flexibility to spend time with your family. Plus, you are able to travel whenever you want without any restrictions. That is one of the greatest benefits of working online. Being able to set your own hours and work pace. If anything, the pandemic has taught us that being able to do has actually made us more productive. Working as a virtual assistant also gives you the flexibility to not only work from home, but to choose the clients you want to work with and those that you don't. It also allows you to decide what type of services you'd like to offer, instead of being pigeonholed into whatever position your boss wants you in. Not just that, you can pick your own hours and work at the times that works for you. Another huge plus is that you can set your rates. Virtual assistants tend to start at £11 per hour and are able to increase their rates as they refine their virtual assistant skills. In Esther Inman's programme, 90 Day VA, she teaches the skills that are high in demand and how to specialise in your niche to increase your earnings. This is one of the top reasons to become a virtual assistant. Reason number 2, the demand for virtual assistants is growing. A lot of businesses are moving online now, and there are many out there that are overwhelmed with tasks like email, social media, blogging, you name it. A virtual assistant is their solution. You are the solution to their problems. No matter what niche you specialise in, there will always be a business looking for what you specialise in. Many businesses have already discovered the best reasons to hire a virtual assistant. Having a virtual assistant frees up their time so that they can focus on creating ways to grow their business. Having a virtual assistant take over the day-to-day tasks allows them to focus on important things, as they just don't have enough time for. They understand the benefit of having a virtual assistant, and if they don't already have one, trust me, they're scrambling to find one. Reason number 3, low starting cost for virtual assistant business. Did you know starting your own virtual assistant business does not have to cost a lot to start? In fact, you don't have to start with anything. I would say the main investment would be taking an online course to further your knowledge so you can offer more services in your virtual assistant business. Do you have a laptop or a computer and have internet access? If so, you can start offering your services right now. Tasks you can complete as a virtual assistant. You can, for example, offer clients inbox management for their emails. There are many businesses spending hours just reading and answering emails. You can help them organise their inbox, automate it, or answer emails from their clients so they can free up some of their time. You could also write blog posts or post their ideas on social media. Believe me, this frees up so much of their time and their skills that can be learned by watching YouTube. What's better? You can start with one client and start making money while you develop your skills in one or more of the services. This way you can start earning money right away while you learn the skills to increase your earnings over time. How you can become a virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is the best side hustle for anyone right now. It's the perfect time to jump headfirst into the remote work world, and it's so easy to get your online career started. Many people start being virtual assistants as a side hustle and over time realise it can become their full-time job. They realise that they can escalate their business. The sky's the limit. Don't let fear stop you from starting to make money on your own terms. Being a virtual assistant has helped me bring in second income, and I have more financial freedom. This is 3 of the top reasons to become a virtual assistant. If you're interested in learning more about being a virtual assistant, details, you can check out this free masterclass. Introducing Virtual Assistant Internship by Esther Inman. This is the 90-day VA. If you're already ready to take the plunge and start your new side hustle or new career, join the 90-day VA, where Esther teaches you the hottest skills business owners are looking for, plus how to set your online business up for success. But if you're still not sure, there is a free workshop where you can go through in more detail. I will leave both links in my description below, and I have other resources you can check out too that will help you grow your existing business or to help you start a new business, because multiple streams of income is always good, right? So yeah, I will look, if you want to like and subscribe to my channel, I will look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.